Welcome back to Fact Fountain, where curiosity never runs dry. Quick question. Would you rather stand in the hottest place on Earth or look into the darkest mystery of space? Tell us below. Death Valley, located in California in the United States of America, is one of the harshest environments on Earth. On the 10th of July in the year 1913, at Furnace Creek Ranch, a staggering 56.7 degrees according to the Celsius scale was recorded. This remains the hottest air temperature ever officially measured on our planet. In summer, average highs often exceed 45 degrees on Celsius scale, while ground temperatures have been recorded as high as 93 degrees. Despite this, life still thrives. Coyotes, roadrunners, and specially adapted reptiles survive the brutal climate. Over 1 million visitors each year come to experience what feels like walking inside an oven. Death Valley's dramatic landscapes, including salt flats, sand dunes, and multicolored canyons, look almost alien. It is both a natural wonder and a deadly reminder of human limits. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived on Earth. An adult can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh as much as 200 metric tons, equal to about 33 elephants. Its heart alone weighs around 180 kilograms, roughly the size of a small car. A blue whale's tongue is as heavy as an elephant. Despite this size, they feed on some of the smallest creatures, tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. In a single day, a whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill. Blue whales are also powerful swimmers, reaching speeds of 50 kilometers per hour. Their calls are among the loudest sounds in nature, traveling hundreds of kilometers through the ocean. Once hunted nearly to extinction, their population dropped by more than 90% in the 20th century. Today, only about 25,000 remain worldwide. They are living giants, fragile yet majestic. The Great Wall of China stretches for more than 21,000 kilometers across mountains, deserts, and plains. Construction began as early as the 7th century before our era, but most of what remains today was built during the Ming Dynasty between the 14th and 17th centuries. The wall was intended to protect China from invasions by nomadic tribes. It is one of the greatest engineering achievements in human history. Hundreds of thousands of soldiers, laborers, and even prisoners worked on its construction, and many lost their lives in the process. Contrary to popular myth, the Great Wall cannot be seen from space with the naked eye. Yet, its cultural significance is immense, a World Heritage Site that attracts millions of visitors each year. The wall is both a defense system and a symbol of China's determination to survive and endure. In 1997, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration of the United States detected a mysterious underwater sound in the Pacific Ocean. It was so loud that it was picked up by hydrophones thousands of kilometers apart. The noise, nicknamed the Bloop, sparked wild theories. Some believed it could have been a giant sea creature larger than a blue whale. Later studies suggested it was likely caused by massive icebergs cracking near Antarctica. Still, the exact source has never been confirmed. The Bloop remains one of the ocean's greatest mysteries, proof that the deep sea still holds secrets humans have yet to uncover. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, is the most populated city in the world. Its metropolitan area is home to around 37 million people, more than the entire population of Canada. Despite this, Tokyo is one of the safest major cities, with extremely low crime rates. The city is a blend of futuristic skyscrapers and centuries-old temples. Its subway system is one of the busiest and most efficient in the world, moving millions of passengers daily. Tokyo is also a culinary capital, boasting more Michelin-starred restaurants than any other city, more than 200 in total. It is a place where tradition and modernity collide, creating an atmosphere found nowhere else on Earth. Göbekli Tepe, located in southeastern Turkey, is considered the world's oldest known temple complex. It dates back about 11,000 years, making it older than the Egyptian pyramids and Stonehenge. The site contains massive stone pillars arranged in circles, some decorated with carvings of animals. What makes Göbekli Tepe extraordinary is that it was built before humans developed farming or metal tools. Archaeologists believe it was a spiritual and social gathering place, where people traveled from far distances to meet. Its discovery has challenged traditional views of history, suggesting that religion and community may have come before agriculture, not the other way around. Göbekli Tepe rewrites what we thought we knew about the dawn of civilization. In the year 2020, Singapore Airlines launched the world's longest non-stop commercial flight from Singapore to New York City. Covering a distance of 15,349 kilometers, the journey takes around 18 hours and 40 minutes. The Airbus A350-900 ultra-long-range aircraft used for the flight is specially designed for extremely long travel with only 161 seats, mostly business class and premium economy for comfort. Pilots work in shifts, and passengers face challenges like jet lag, dehydration, and fatigue. Some studies suggest a person can burn up to 5,000 calories simply enduring such a long trip. This flight demonstrates how far aviation technology has come, making it possible to fly halfway across the globe in a single leap. Black holes are among the most mysterious objects in the universe. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating regions where nothing, not even light, can escape. The boundary of no return is called the event horizon. Approaching it, space and time themselves begin to warp. The largest known black hole, located in the center of a galaxy known as TON 618, has a mass equal to 66 billion suns. In 2019, astronomers captured the first-ever image of a black hole in the galaxy, called Messier 87, confirming decades of theory. Black holes are no longer just science fiction. They are real, monstrous engines shaping galaxies. In the Fullafjellet Mountains of Sweden grows Old Tjikko, a seemingly ordinary spruce tree, but its root system is extraordinary. It is about 9,560 years old, making it the oldest known living clonal tree on Earth. This means the tree you see today is genetically identical to the one that sprouted at the end of the last ice age. Old Tjikko survives by producing new trunks and branches from the same root system over millennia. Though the visible part of the tree is only about 5 meters tall, its age makes it a living time capsule of Earth's history. It stands quietly, reminding us how resilient life can be. Cleopatra VII, born in 69 years before our era, was the last active pharaoh of Egypt. She ruled from the year 51 to 30 years before our era and is remembered for her intelligence, political skill, and legendary beauty. Cleopatra spoke several languages and was highly educated in philosophy, mathematics, and science. Her alliances with Julius Caesar and later Mark Antony had massive impacts on Roman politics. After their defeat by Octavian, who later became Augustus, Cleopatra chose to end her life, famously said to be by snakebite. Her reign marked the end of the Ptolemaic dynasty and ancient Egypt as an independent power. Cleopatra remains one of history's most iconic figures, a queen whose charisma and ambition shaped empires. Which fact surprised you most? Death Valley's heat, the Bloop mystery, or Cleopatra's power? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss your daily drop of curiosity from Fact Fountain.